In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Wix website using Claude with a simple build and launch guide. We're going to walk through the process inside Wix and use a ready link from Claude as part of the setup. This is a great option if you want to get a landing page live quickly without building everything from scratch. The main idea is to start with a Wix section template, then customize the text and connect it to the link you want visitors to use. First, go to wix.com and sign into your account so you can access your website dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, locate your site and look over to the right-hand side. You'll see the option to design the site. Click that to open the Wix editor. Once you're inside the site editor, give yourself a moment to get familiar with the layout. This is where you'll make the visual changes to your landing page. On the left side, click Add. This opens the panel where Wix lets you insert new elements and pre-built content into your page. From there, click on Sections. Sections are useful because they give you professionally designed page blocks that are already structured for things like headlines, calls to action, and visual hierarchy. Inside the Sections area, click on Welcome. This category is especially helpful for landing pages because it usually includes strong opening layouts that are designed to grab attention right away. Now choose a template that fits the look and purpose of your landing page. Pick one that matches your brand style and the message you want to deliver. Once you've selected a template, it will appear on your page and you can begin customizing it. Next, click on the text inside that section. This allows you to edit or work with the text element directly. After selecting the text, go to the top menu and click Link. This is where you can assign a destination to that text, which is useful if you want it to send visitors somewhere specific. Now paste in the link from Claude. Make sure the link is correct before saving it, since this is what users will follow when they click that text. This step is important because it connects your landing page content to the action you want visitors to take. At this point, your basic landing page structure is in place using Wix, and your text is connected to the Claude link. Take a final look over the section to make sure everything appears clean, readable, and properly connected. And that's it. You've now created a landing page on Wix using Claude in a fast and straightforward way.